To begin setting up your Shopify store, navigate to the Shopify website using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the login option. Click on the login button to proceed to the authentication screen. Upon reaching the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Shopify account. If you prefer a quicker sign-in method, there's an option available to sign in using your Google account. To utilize this feature, simply click on the Google icon located beneath the email input field. This integration allows for a seamless and secure login experience, eliminating the need to remember additional passwords. After successfully logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Shopify interface. Positioned at the top left of the screen, you'll notice the Shopify logo. This logo serves as a quick navigation tool. Clicking on it will always bring you back to the main dashboard, ensuring you can easily return to the primary workspace from any section of the platform. Moving across to the middle top of the dashboard, you'll find the search bar. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly locating specific sections or functions within your store, such as products, orders, or customer information. Utilizing the search bar effectively can save you time and streamline your workflow as you manage various aspects of your e-commerce business. On the top right corner of the dashboard, there are several important icons and links that provide access to different tools and settings. Among these, you'll see your dedicated Sidekick AI, which is designed to assist you with any questions or provide articles related to your current tasks or concerns. Additionally, there is an alerts icon that notifies you of any important updates or issues concerning your shop, as well as the My Store option, which opens up more comprehensive settings and management tools for your Shopify store. Focusing first on the Sidekick AI, clicking on this icon will open an interactive assistant that can help you troubleshoot problems, offer best practices, or provide detailed explanations about various Shopify features. This tool is particularly beneficial for new users who are still getting accustomed to the platform, as it offers real-time support and guidance tailored to your specific needs. Next, the alerts icon is a critical component for maintaining the health and performance of your store. By clicking on this icon, you can view all current alerts related to your shop, such as important notifications about orders, payments, or potential issues that require your attention. Keeping an eye on these alerts ensures that you can address any problems promptly, maintaining a smooth and efficient operation of your e-commerce business. Selecting the My Store option opens a drop-down menu that provides access to a variety of additional settings and management tools. Here, you'll find options such as All Stores, which allows you to manage multiple Shopify stores if you have more than one account. The Help Center offers access to Shopify's extensive support resources, including documentation, tutorials, and customer service contacts. Additionally, you can view logs of your store's activities, participate in forums to connect with other Shopify users, hire a partner for professional assistance, utilize shortcut keys for faster navigation, and manage your account details, ensuring that all aspects of your store are tailored to your specific requirements. Turning your attention to the left panel of the dashboard, you'll notice the main navigation menu, which serves as the central hub for managing your entire Shopify store. This menu includes various sections such as Home, Orders, Products, Customers, Content, Analytics, Marketing, Discounts, Sales Channels, Themes, Blog Posts, Pages, Navigation, Preferences, Ad Apps, and Settings. Each of these sections is integral to different facets of your e-commerce business, providing comprehensive control over everything from product listings to marketing strategies. Starting with the Home section, clicking on it will bring up a setup guide designed to assist you in launching your e-commerce store. This guide provides step-by-step instructions and helpful tips to ensure that all necessary components are in place for a successful store launch. It covers essential setup tasks, such as configuring your store's details, setting up payment and shipping options, and customizing the appearance of your storefront. Navigating to the Orders section gives you access to all your shop's orders. Here you can view detailed information about each order, including customer details, order status, and payment information. Additionally, this section includes drafts and abandoned checkouts, allowing you to manage and recover potential sales that may not have been completed by customers. Monitoring orders regularly helps ensure timely fulfillment and enhances customer satisfaction by providing a smooth purchasing experience. In the Products section, you can view and manage all the products listed in your store. This area allows you to add new products, import existing ones from other platforms or spreadsheets, browse through your inventory, and manage stock levels. You can also delete products that are no longer available or relevant to your store. Additionally, this section provides access to collections, which enable you to group products into categories for easier navigation, manage inventory levels to prevent stockouts, handle purchase orders from suppliers, organize transfers between inventory locations, and manage gift cards, providing a comprehensive toolset for product management. Switching to the customers section, you can view all customer-related information in one centralized location. This includes the ability to add new customers manually, import customer data from other sources or platforms, or acquire customer information through various apps integrated with your store. Managing customer data effectively allows you to build stronger relationships, target marketing efforts more accurately, and provide personalized experiences that can lead to increased customer loyalty and repeat business. The content section grants access to all your store's files, objects, and blog posts. Here you can manage and organize files used on your website, create and edit blog posts to engage with your audience, and customize your store's menus to control where different links appear within your shop. This section is essential for maintaining a dynamic and engaging storefront, ensuring that all content is up to date and effectively supports your brand's message and marketing strategies. In the analytics section, you can view and run various reports that provide insights into how your shop is performing. These reports help you understand sales trends, customer behavior, and overall store performance. You can customize these reports to focus on specific metrics that are most relevant to your business goals, and even utilize the live view report feature to monitor real-time data, allowing you to make informed decisions based on current performance indicators. The marketing section offers more in-depth statistics related to your marketing campaigns and automations. Here you can track the effectiveness of your marketing efforts, analyze the performance of different campaigns, and manage automated marketing tasks that help streamline your promotional activities. This section is crucial for optimizing your marketing strategies, ensuring that your efforts are driving the desired results and contributing to the growth of your business. In the discount section, you have the ability to create and manage discount codes and sales promotions that attract customers and encourage purchases. By offering discounts, you can incentivize new and returning customers, increase conversion rates, and boost overall sales. This section provides tools to customize the terms of your discounts, track their usage, and analyze their impact on your store's performance. Exploring the sales channels section reveals various options related to your online store's presence across different platforms. Here you can manage how your products are displayed and sold on various channels, such as social media platforms, online marketplaces, or other integrated services. Optimizing your sales channels ensures that your products reach a broader audience, enhancing visibility and increasing potential sales opportunities. The theme section allows you to access and edit your store's theme, which determines the visual appearance and aesthetic of your shop. Here, you can choose from a wide range of themes, customize them to match your brand's identity, and organize the layout and design elements to create an appealing and user-friendly storefront. A well-designed theme can significantly enhance the shopping experience for your customers, making your store more attractive and easier to navigate. In the blog post section, you can view and write blog posts for your shop. Blogging is an effective way to engage with your audience, share valuable content, and improve your store's SEO. By regularly publishing informative and relevant blog posts, you can attract more visitors to your store, establish your brand as an authority in your niche, and drive more traffic to your product pages. The Pages section provides access to all the pages displayed on your e-commerce store. Here you can organize and manage the various pages such as the About Us, Contact, FAQ, and any other custom pages you've created. Ensuring that these pages are well organized and up to date is essential for providing customers with the information they need, enhancing their trust in your brand, and supporting their purchasing decisions. Navigating to the navigation section allows you to organize URL redirects and create menus for your store's header, footer, and main navigation. Properly managing your store's navigation ensures that customers can easily find what they're looking for, improving their overall shopping experience. This section provides tools to customize the structure and layout of your menus, making it simple to highlight important sections and guide customers through your store efficiently. In the Preferences section, you can manage various settings related to your store's metapixel, Google Analytics integration, SEO configurations, and password protection. These settings are crucial for tracking and analyzing your store's performance, optimizing your site for search engines, and controlling access to your store during the setup phase or for specific users. By fine-tuning these preferences, you can enhance your store's visibility, performance, and security. The Add Apps section is where you can explore and install integrations that enhance your store's functionality and assist with daily tasks. Shopify offers a vast marketplace of apps that cater to different aspects of e-commerce, such as marketing, inventory management, customer service, and more. By selecting the right apps, you can automate processes, gain valuable insights, and improve the overall efficiency of your store operations. At the bottom of the navigation panel, you'll find the Settings section. This is the hub for accessing all the administrative settings related to your shop, including subscription details, billing information, payment gateways, checkout configurations, tax settings, shipping options, and more. Managing these settings effectively is vital for ensuring that your store operates smoothly, remains compliant with relevant regulations, and provides a seamless experience for both you and your customers. As you navigate through each of these sections, it's important to take the time to explore and understand the various tools and options available to you. Shopify offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to support every aspect of your e-commerce business, from product management and customer relations to marketing and sales analytics. By familiarizing yourself with these tools and utilizing them effectively, you can create a robust and successful online store that meets your business goals and provides a positive shopping experience for your customers. Remember to regularly check the alerts and notifications to stay informed about any important updates or issues that may arise. Utilizing the Sidekick AI can significantly enhance your ability to troubleshoot problems and implement best practices, especially as you become more acquainted with the platform. Additionally, leveraging the various reporting and analytics tools will provide you with valuable insights into your store's performance, enabling you to make data-driven decisions that can drive growth and improve your overall business operations. In managing your products, take advantage of the collections and inventory management features to organize your offerings and maintain optimal stock levels. Effective inventory management prevents stockouts and overstock situations, ensuring that you can meet customer demand without incurring unnecessary costs. Similarly, by utilizing the discounts and marketing tools, you can attract and retain customers, boost sales, and increase brand loyalty through targeted promotions and campaigns. Ensuring that your store's theme is both visually appealing and user-friendly is key to providing a positive shopping experience. A well-designed storefront not only attracts customers, but also facilitates easy navigation, making it simple for them to find and purchase the products they are interested in. Regularly updating your blog and content pages keeps your store fresh and engaging, encouraging repeat visits and enhancing your store's SEO performance. As you integrate various apps into your store, choose those that align with your business needs and goals. Whether you're looking to improve your marketing efforts, streamline your inventory management, or enhance customer service, there's likely an app available that can help you achieve your objectives. Carefully selecting and managing these integrations ensures that your store remains efficient, scalable, and capable of adapting to the evolving demands of the e-commerce landscape. Finally, maintaining up-to-date settings and preferences is essential for the smooth operation of your store. Regularly review and adjust your billing, payment, tax, and shipping configurations to reflect any changes in your business model or regulatory requirements. By keeping these settings current, you can prevent potential issues and ensure that your store remains compliant and operational at all times. In conclusion, setting up and managing a Shopify store involves navigating through various sections and utilizing a wide range of tools and features. By following these steps diligently and taking advantage of the resources and support available, you can create a successful and thriving e-commerce business. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to enhance your existing store, these instructions provide a comprehensive guide to help you maximize the platform's potential and achieve your business goals. As you become more comfortable with the Shopify interface, don't hesitate to explore additional features and settings that can further optimize your store's performance. Continuously learning and adapting your strategies based on the insights gained from analytics and customer feedback will contribute to the long-term success of your e-commerce venture. Remember, the key to a successful Shopify store lies in effectively managing each aspect of your business, from product listings and customer relations to marketing efforts and operational settings. Stay proactive in monitoring your store's performance, responding to customer inquiries promptly, and keeping your product offerings fresh and relevant. By maintaining a high level of engagement and continuously refining your strategies, you can build a loyal customer base, increase sales, and establish a strong presence in the competitive world of e-commerce. Leveraging the comprehensive tools and features that Shopify provides will empower you to create a memorable and effective online shopping experience that meets the needs of your customers and drives your business forward.